You play guitar? Uh, I would say I used to. I used to be pretty okay at it, but yeah. Now I just kind of doodle around. Like I guess I could show you something just for funsies. Yeah. Yeah. I'll just pause that for a second. Let me take one of these down. You know, like yeah. So you play. Hang on. Yeah, even though it's like an electronic guitar, you play it just like a regular one. It doesn't it doesn't sound that good, but you can do something like yeah, and that's like the wholesome parrot meme that was popular last year.